Now, how to rectify this loophole? That means printf is not in a position to break its line, but without breaking the line, we cannot format it. As I told you already, the information in your mark report is printed in one line. You are not happy. What I told you, your data should be divided into lines depending on the integrity. Then only you will be happy. For this purpose, what you are doing, you are breaking the lines, breaking the line. For that purpose, what we have to do, we have to provide a line breaker. We have to provide a line breaker to the printf function. Then only it can break line. Now, the same program I have written with a line breaker. What is the line breaker? Line breaker is a new line sequence. This is backslash and lowercase n. You remember that this is called new line sequence. It is one of the escape sequences. Little later I am going to explain. This is line breaker or new line sequence. Its name is new line sequence. Why it is called sequence? Actually, this consists of two letters, not one. One is backslash, not slash, backslash. A slash is this, backslash is this. Always you remember that. So, and lowercase n, not uppercase n. Uppercase n is not identified as a new line sequence. That's why what we are doing, same program I have written, same 5 printf statements I have written. At the last element of every printf statement string, I have written new line sequence. New line sequence. As a result of that, what happens? You see the output. Output is printed in 5 lines as we expect. Understand? So, that's why where you have to break the line, there you have to write new line sequence. Just a simple example I show you. Printf I am writing. Here I am writing ABC, new line, DEF, new line, GHI, new line I have given. As a result of that, what happens is, see, first A, B, C are written. Now new line sequence is there. As a result of this, the control takes the cursor to here. First position of the immediately next line. There what happens? DEF. Again new line sequence is there. As a result of that, control moves the cursor to the first position of the immediately next line. Then GHA is printed. That is the functionality of the new line. Always you remember that where you want to dissect the string, there you can write new line. It need not be at the end. Anywhere you can write wherever you want to break the data. Now you see, after first string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line we have written. A, B, C, D, new line we have written. Next lowercase letter, new line. Symbols, new line. And blank spaces, new line we have written. And all are printed as we expected. And you may get a doubt in this context. Actually, first printf statement I have written with 2 new line sequences. 2 new line sequences, why I have written? If you remove that and see, then you know the impact of that. However, actually because of new line, suppose originally cursor is there. This is the monitor screen. Originally cursor is there. Because of one new line sequence, cursor comes here. Because of 2 new line sequences, cursor comes here, and there a margin is created. Thereafter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the output is written. Why is that? Now you see, if I want to write, I can start it extreme corner, but every time we leave some margin at the top, right side, left side and all that. Because of that, it looks elegant. So in order to leave margins at the top of the output, then I have written printf statement with two new line sequences, and without that you write program and execute and see the result. Thereafter you write that printf and see the result. By that you can experience its functionality on your own. That is the right way of learning in programming. Now we are able to write data on the monitor screen, and we are able to format it by breaking the line also. So two capabilities we learned.